In the hush before the sun arrives, I sketch the breath of quiet skies, not with ink, not with clay, but light and shadow where pixels play. I am the silent creator unseen, painting dreams on a glowing screen. With every layer, blend and hue, a world is born, fresh and true. A curve becomes a falling leaf, a dot can carry joy or grief. Through patterns soft and lines so fine, I give the world a sacred sign. Like Rangoli drawn at temple doors, my art is prayer my soul explores. No words I speak, but still I say, through color, light, and visual play.